In fairness naman sa Department of Health, ang nagtagal kasi doon sa Health Technology Assessment Council. Ito yung grupo na nirerikisa ang mga datos. Ang problema dyan, nagkaroon ng analysis paralysis. Ngayon, I work in the corporate world, then you have to find yourself the study to help. Hindi mo hihintayin yung mga kumpanya to produce. Let's say, ang taas ng inventaryo mo, hindi mo ipag-put ang marketing. What are you going to do? Then you have to find to support that particular bakuna kung pwede. Ayun nga, meron. Ni-review ko ang data. Last year pa pala, sa CDC, may datos na for the second booster. Cut and paste lang di i-research. Kagabi, hinanap ko. Pumunta ako ng FDA, pumunta ako ng CDC. May datos na pala nun ba't hindi yung ginamit? Ngayon, hinantay natin ba panisan ng 50 million? Di ba? Tapos, a-approvean mo din. Ang tawag dyan, analysis paralysis. Alam mo, in crisis, ang number one is sense of urgency. Ako in the hospital, hindi ako pwedeng pabagal-bagal, mamamatayan ako ng pasyente kasi cardiologist ako So, tama ang diagnosis mo, late ang implementation, patay pa rin ang patient. So, nangyari, naglungad ka ng napakaraming bakuna at yan nakita natin sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Wala namang accountable. Ganun lang, tapik lang ho sa kamay. Yan, nag-akseta ng pera. Tapos ngayon, a-approve natin. Ang tagal na nating hinihintay. So, sino may kasalanan dito? I don't know. Ayoko namang sabihin na problema to kasi ito kasi is the strength of a leadership And I don't know. Alam mo, I have lived long enough.
Na kay Doc,
I know. Actually, nagbago na ako sa person. It's just I'm trying to utter words lang out of disgust. But I'm moving forward na hopefully ma-enlighten tayo para sa ganun tayo lahat. Ako, tutulong ako. Makikita mo yung mga post ko ngayon, hindi abrasive, inspiring. But sometimes you have to call a spade a spade. And hopefully, with your strong words, you can actually enlighten people and wake people and wake the people na nasa decision-making process. Ganun lang tayo. Wala tayong masamang tinapay.
Yes.
We need this country to move forward so that the entire country naman mabuhay na ekonomiya natin. Kasi kawawang-kawawa ang mga future generation ng Pilipinos.
Yeah. I agree with the Doc Tony and I can hear the frustration syempre nga kahit na careful nga siya sa kanyang mga
lahat naman tayo napanisan ka ng ganyan
in him dahil nga lalo na dito sa issue ng expired vaccine sa 50 million na banggit niya kanina parang topic lang walang napapagalitan
27 billion po ang nasayang.
There's not enough outrage with this issue that really merits one. Hindi ba? Parang ganun yung nararamdaman ko kay Doc Tony Tama po ba yun, Doc?
Oo naman. Siyempre, bilang isang Pilipino na meager lang ang resources natin, hindi naman nagkulang sila sa pag-order ng dami. Ang problema lang, hindi naman ginamitan nila ng isang team on how to deploy it. Ibig sabihin, umorder ka ng marami, and then kung naka-order ka at nagawa ng logistics ng kanilang trabaho, dapat yung pag-push naman ito, then you get a team, if you're not well-versed with it, na pwede mag-deploy. Ang susunod sa sense of urgency, based on the book of John Carter in Leading Change, is actually collaborative. Kumuha ka ng grupo with the expertise to deploy that.
Sa distribution.
Oo Like in the hospital, sense of urgency, pag hindi ko kaya yung pasyente, may heart attack, na-intubate, di kailangan ko ng pulmonologist. Tapos may infection, di kailangan ko infectious disease. Tapos hindi umiihi ang patient, kailangan ko i-dialysis, kailangan ko ng nephrologist. Now, kitang-kita dito that since the government may not have the knowledge in pharmaceutical medicine, you get a pharmaceutical expert. You need a marketing people here, salesperson. Yun lang naman yan And people will actually help you. Ang problema, walang ganong klaseng summit and meeting of minds to solve a problem like that. Kasi we cannot discuss that always in Senate. Kasi the Senate is something na recommendatory. you know, after that, wala namang follow through. So you need at the executive level to create a team that will work on how to deploy the vaccines, and then with timelines ka, and then marching orders, and then you report to the president every week until maubos yung bakuna and masolve mo yung problema.